फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आई होप यू आर फाइन। मैं आपका साथी मन्नान सर। दोस्त, मैं आपको बता देना चाहता हूं, जिंदगी आपकी बहुत ही खूबसूरत है। एक बार नहीं, बार बार मैं ये बात बोलता हूं। क्यों? जिंदगी में जब तक आप चाहत नहीं रखेंगे अपने मंजिल को पाने की, तब तक आपके अंदर सफलता प्रवेश नहीं कर सकती है। सुना है, लोगों की जुबान से लोग कहते हैं, दिल्ली है दिल वालों की और मुंबई है, बॉम्बे है पैसे वालों की, और इंग्लिश है बोलने वालों की। बहुत सारे बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं जो आज ये नजारा देख रहे हो, ये ऐसे नहीं बना हुआ है। जिंदगी में इतिहास रचाना इतना आसान नहीं है। जो मुश्किलों से लड़ता है वही इतिहास रचाता है। जो अपने आप पर विश्वास रखता है वही मंजिल को पाता है। जो इंसान अपने आप को ये सोचता है कि दुनिया में कैसे कामयाब हो जाऊं, उसको कोई रोक नहीं सकता है। जो अपनी सुनता है और मेंटर की सुनता है, दुनिया में वही योद्धा बनता है। योद्धा बनने के लिए दोस्त, आपको करना क्या पड़ेगा? आपको सबसे पहले अपने मेंटर की बात को मानना पड़ेगा। What is the point of mentor's word? You should try to assimilate. You should try to annihilate. Don't try to annihilate. Automatically, English can be spoken by you people. Nowadays, you are looking that the students, those who are coming under my kind of supervision, they are speaking properly and they are talking properly. There must not be impediment. Lots of students, those who are coming here, and they are unable to speak English, but being presented, having got too much knowledge, and whatever necessary to be spoken, they got too much something special way, and how to root, how to keep out the words. Automatically they are speaking. But why? How? But why? How? It is power of the teacher. It is the mention of the teacher. What the teacher said, you should try to accept that. जिंदगी तभी बदल सकती है दोस्त, जब तक आप अंदर से ठानेंगे नहीं। और मानने से तो सब कुछ नहीं होता, ठानने तो बहुत कुछ होता है। ठानने से तो बहुत कुछ होता है। आइए चलते हैं, बहुत सारी बातें ना करके पॉइंट बातें, कम टू द पॉइंट। यू आर लुकिंग हियर, दे आर सिटिंग हियर, दे आर रेडी टू टॉक। यू वांट टू लिसन? इफ यू वांट टू लिसन, डोंट बी लेट टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल Bandan Spoken Prayagraj. This is channel name. You have listened carefully. Now don't be late. Okay. Now come to the point. Yes. Everything is good? Yes. Yes, everything is fine. Now come to the point. Yes. What to play?
Play cricket.
Where to go?
Go to India.
How to come here?
Come here, Manan sir.
Okay. Come here to coaching. Yes.
Yes, sir.
First of all, why to take tea?
First of all, take tea for going India.
Very good. After reading, what to become?
After reading, become a teacher.
किताब पढ़ो,
Read book.
दरवाजा खोलो,
Open the door.
मत जाओ,
Don't go.
चलो चलें।
Let's go.
वेरी गुड। यस, मैं गया।
I went.
तुम आ रहे हो?
You are coming.
क्या नाम था?
Vajram.
मैं आऊंगा।
I will come.
तुम कहाँ जाओगे?
Where will you go?
क्या मिली होगी?
We'll see meet.
विल सी हैव मेट। क्या मिली होगी?
We'll see have met.
राम नहीं था?
Ram
तुम
won't.
कैसे गए?
How? तुम कैसे? How did you go?
मैं खाया हूँ।
I have eaten.
वह 2 घंटे सो रहा है।
He has sleeping for 2 hours.
What to? सीता नहीं बोली।
Sita didn't speak.
What's your name?
My name is Divanshu.
When do you come here?
I come here at
Yesterday where had you gone?
Yesterday I had gone.
While coming home it?
While coming my sister mate.
What is her name?
Her name is Sita.
What is the special while coming on the way?
While coming, I saw the many students are going and coming.
Yes. Where were they going?
They were going to school.
They were going to
school.
Yes. Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because I want to
Yes.
become a speaker.
English is good or bad?
English is good.
How do you say English is good?
English is good because it is very useful. Suppose that someone wants to become a speaker because he wants to do job and he wants to go to America. At the time he wants to do job at there because he wants to earn money. And if he knows how to speak English, then he can do job very easily. He can earn money. That's why I can say English is very important.
Really, very good. I am proud of you. Yes, you are looking that lots of students who are sitting here and they are speaking properly. There is no problem, and they are speaking from the bottom of their heart. अपने तहे दिल से बोल रहे हैं दोस्त। तहे दिल से किसी काम को करना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है। जिंदगी में कामयाबी तब अच्छी लगती है जब खुद को कामयाब बनाना नहीं, अपने साथ कई लोगों को कामयाब बनाना, तब अच्छा लगता है। जिंदगी में आप अकेले पैसा कमा रहे हो, अच्छी बात नहीं। जब आपके माध्यम से बहुत सारे लोग पैसा कमाए, ये अच्छी बात होती है। दोस्त, अगर आज अपने आप को आप नहीं सुधारोगे, कल आप ऑटोमेटिक कहां चले जाओगे? कमजोर की घड़ी में चले जाओगे। दो ही घड़ी होती है, मजबूत की घड़ी और कमजोर घड़ी, पॉजिटिविटी घड़ी और निगेटिविटी घड़ी। अगर आप अपने आप को पॉजिटिविटी में नहीं लाते हो, तो निगेटिविटी बनाने की जरूरत नहीं, ऑटोमेटिक आप निगेटिविटी में चले जाओगे। दोस्त, ये मैं नहीं, टाइम बताता है। ये मैं नहीं, हालात बताता है। ये मैं नहीं, इंसान का जो है समय के अनुसार कर्म बताता है। यस, यू आर राइट। Now I just want to tell something special. You are looking here, the students who are sitting and they are talking properly. Yes, you have eaten food.
Yes, I have eaten food.
Who cooked food?
My mother cooked food.
What is her name?
Her name is Pramila Devi.
Yes, yes. When do you come here?
I come here at 4 o'clock, 7 o'clock.
At 7 o'clock.
At 7 o'clock.
Why do you want to come here?
I come here for taking knowledge.
Yes, you come here for taking knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Who is teaching?
Manan sir is teaching.
Do you know about Manan sir?
Yes, sir, I know very well.
Very good. Very good. Okay, very good. Yes. Nowadays, what are you doing?
Nowadays, I am learning English.
Why are you learning English?
I am learning English because English is very important for
Yes,
everyone.
What is your goal?
My goal is to become a merchant navy officer.
Yes. Why do you want to become an officer of merchant navy?
Because a merchant navy officer is a good job, and a person is earning a lot of money by officer job.
Yes, 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 yes. That's why you want to go there.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Your thought is to be good. Yes.
Yes.
Very good. No problem. And when do you get up morning?
I get up morning at 9 o'clock.
How? What is your special day?
My specialty is Monday.
Your special day is Monday.
Monday.
Very good. Why do you like Monday?
I like Monday because Monday is a good day.
Monday is a good day.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir. What do you do on Monday? That is special day Monday. What do you do on Monday?
I go for walking on Monday.
Yes.
Yes.
On Monday, someone meets to you.
No, someone wants.
No, because you are saying that Monday is an special day.
Yes, sir.
Someone meets you on Monday. That's why you are saying Monday is a special day for you.
Yes, sir. Monday is special for me, but
So,
someone don't meet to me.
okay, no one meets you.
Yes, sir. No one
Only
meets
you
me.
work here and there.
Yes, sir. I walk.
Yes, yes, very good, very good. Yes, very good. You are looking there properly. There is no problem. Here, students are sitting and they are very excited mood. Yes. Okay. How are you?
I am fine.
Really?
Yeah.
What is your desire to become?
I desire to become a good person.
Your desire is to be a good
To be a good
person.
person.
You want to become a good person.
Yeah.
What is a person? What is a good person?
Good person is
The person who has humanity.
yeah, the person who has humanity. They are help poor person.
They are helping.
poor
Yes.
person. Yeah, that's why I am become a good person.
That's why you want to become
Good
a
person.
good person. Very good बेटा, very good. Yes, जिंदगी में एक अच्छा इंसान बनना बहुत जरूरी होता है। एक अच्छा व्यक्ति बनना बहुत जरूरी होता है। क्यों? क्योंकि अच्छा इंसान, the man who doesn't become a good human, so that is not called a human. That is called a Satan, devil. वो इंसान नहीं, हैवान कहलाता है। दोस्त, आप देखे होंगे बहुत सारे हमारे देश के जो है सैनिक शहीद हो गए बॉर्डर पर युद्ध लड़ने के दौरान। यस, लॉट्स ऑफ आर्मीज सेक्रीफाइड, वाज शॉट, गोली मार दिया गया। दे डाइड, दे नॉट डाइड, दे सेक्रीफाइड। ओके, आज के दिन उनसे पूछो, दे आर नॉट on the earth, but their name will be always. Their name will always be in the world. उनका नाम हमेशा रहेगा। वो जिंदगी भर जिंदा रहेंगे। The people will take their name. लोग उनके नाम जरूर लेंगे। At any rate, किसी भी हाल में। Why? Because they sacrificed for the world. वे दुनिया के लिए कुर्बान हो गए। Yes, अपने देश के लिए, for their countries. उनसे पूछो, उन मासूम बच्चों से जिनके पापा अब दोबारा नहीं आएंगे। उन माँ की धड़कन से पूछो जिसका बेटा अब दोबारा चेहरा दिखाने नहीं आएगा। उस पिता की जज्बात से पूछो, साहस से पूछो, जिसका बेटा अब वापस नहीं आएगा। वो बच्चे कहाँ जाएंगे? कौन सहारा बनेगा उनका? क्या हालात होगी उनकी? वो माँ जितने इतना प्यार दिया, वो माँ की तरह प्यार कहाँ मिलने वाला है? वो बाप सिसक सिसक कर मर जाता है अपने बेटों की आंखों के सामने, अपने आंखों के सामने बेटों की मिट्टी को देख रहा है, जनाजा लेके जा रहा है। इट इज इम्पॉसिबल। वो बच्ची की चाहत, वो बच्ची की मासूमियत, वो बच्ची की मनोकामना, वो बच्ची की पुकार, वो बच्ची की गुहार कौन समझ सकता है? एक इशारे पर बाप हाजिर कर देता है। जो बच्ची की चाहत होती है, जो बच्चा का चाहत होता है, वो बच्ची किससे कहेगी? एक बार कहने से डरेगी, एक बार कहने से सोचेगी पता नहीं मुझे मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा। बाप जैसी छत अगर रहती है तो बेटा बेटी को कोई गम नहीं होता दुनिया में। दुनिया में वो हस्ती दोबारा, ये दो फूल माँ बाप जो होते हैं, ये फूल दोबारा मिलने वाले नहीं है। कुछ बनो ना बनो, माँ बाप का सहारा जरूर बनो। कुछ करो ना करो, उनके लिए सब कुछ करना जरूरी होता है। दुनिया लाख बहता है मगर बहकना नहीं है। उनके शरण में रहना है। उनके साया तभी मिलेगी जब उनके बातों को आप फॉलो करोगे। जिंदगी में आप सबसे होनहार इंसान रहेंगे, आप अच्छे इंसान रहेंगे। क्यों? जरा सोचो, वो शहीद का दर्जा बहुत ऊंचा होता है। अपने देश के लिए इंसान मर जाता है, बड़ी अच्छी बात होती है। अच्छी बात इससे होती है, क्यों ये काम सब नहीं कर सकता है? नेता नहीं कर सकता है। क्यों? उस पत्नी से पूछो जिसका पति कितना प्रेम दिया होगा। वो दोबारा कह के आया था, मैं आऊंगा इस बार, मैं आपको ये चीज दिलाऊंगा, मैं आपको यहां घुमाऊंगा। माँ से भी कहा होगा, बाप से भी कहा होगा, मैं आपको इस स्थल पे ले जाऊंगा। वो दिन आए नहीं, अल्फाज आ रहे हैं। वो दिन आए नहीं, वो बॉडी, इंसान की बॉडी आ रही है। अब माँ बाप परेशान हैं, बच्चे परेशान हैं, कुछ होने वाला नहीं है। हमें आपको मिल करके ऐसे बच्चों को साहस देना चाहिए। हमें आपको मिल करके इनकी मासूम बच्ची को चाहत को पूरा करना चाहिए। अगर हम आप नहीं करते हैं, वो बेसहारा हो जाएंगे। आने वाले समय में वो ये फैसला लेंगे, देश के लिए लड़ना जरूरी नहीं है। ये हमारे आपकी ह्यूमैनिटी में दम होनी चाहिए, पावर होनी चाहिए। अगर ये चीज हमारे आपके अंदर नहीं होती है, ये बच्चे अपने मंजिल को पा नहीं सकते हैं। इनका अंदर से कलेजा टूट जाता है, दिल टूट जाता है, ये पढ़ाई में कमजोर हो जाते हैं। इनको साथ देना जरूरी होता है। क्यों? जो देश में रहकर साहस दिखाया और अपने देश को बचाया, ऐसे इंसान को हम सैल्यूट करते हैं, ऐसे इंसान को हम सलाम करते हैं, ऐसे इंसान को अपने हम दिल में रखते हैं, ऐसे इंसान को हम अपने आत्मा में बसाते हैं। ये सोच होनी चाहिए। ठीक है? इट इज वेरी गुड। नाउ कम टू द पॉइंट, यू आर लुकिंग प्रॉपरली। यस यस
Yes, sir.
हाँ, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Mohammad Isha.
Yes. Yesterday where were you?
Yesterday I was at my home.
Yes.
Yes,
Why?
yesterday I had come also here.
You came here, I know
Yeah.
that. But it was a marriage party.
Yeah,
You
yesterday,
didn't go at there. What was the reason?
because it was too much hot. That's why I couldn't go at there.
Yes, it was too much hot.
Yes, sir. Too much hot. Yesterday.
Yeah, okay, it's very good. Yes, the hot season is going on.
Yeah. Summer
Yeah, the
season is
people,
going on.
summer season is going on. It is too much hot.
Yes, sir.
And what's your opinion about the people? And the people are walking here, there. The small boys are walking here, there. It is time of hot season. So what can affect on them?
I want to tell that the children are walking here and there. They should be at his home because the summer season is going on. It is very hot. They can get loo. And they can be ill due to the summer season.
Yes, yes.
And the reason is why the children are walking here and there because the school is going on. That's why the students are going out there in the summer season. I would like to say that the government, the school should be closed in this time because summer season is going on very hot.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah.
You are right told.
Yes, sir.
School should be closed.
Yes, sir.
If the children are walking here, there, the men are walking here and there, they can fall ill.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, you are right told.
The old person can die.
Yeah, the old person can die.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
they are
In the
dying.
summer. They are
Yes, yes,
dying.
they are
Yes, sir,
dying.
in the summer season, the
So
person is
tell
dying.
me, if someone is poor,
Yes, sir.
so what your thought about that related to that? If he is poor, if he doesn't go outside, how can he control, how can he manage his family if he
And
doesn't go outside?
if he won't go to outside,
Eh.
he won't be able to please his family because he has no money. He has the government should give to them like a colony
Yes, yes,
and money per month like 2,000, 3,000.
yes, yes.
They can manage to his family
So
very
you
easily.
are looking that who is supporting.
No person is supporting in this time. Nobody
So
is
how do you
supporting
say
them.
that the people will support? How will the people support? They have humanity.
No, in this time nobody
The
has
person who has humanity that can support only that.
only they will support.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. You are looking that it is very good idea. Yes, I just want to tell something special, my dear friends. You are sitting here. Yes. Choto, what's your name?
My name is Ismar.
Tej Kumar. Very good. Stand up. You are looking, dear. This is small boy. बने को तो दुनिया बनाती है, सवाल है बिगड़ों को बना के दिखाना। अध्यापक अंग्रेजी बोले ये मानता नहीं है जब तक बच्चा अंग्रेजी नहीं बोले। सवाल इसकी होती है। आप देख रहे हो हर बच्चा इंग्लिश बोलेगा, आपको इससे भी मिलवाएंगे, ज्यादा नहीं। नोट करके रखिएगा, 10 से 15 दिन में मैं आपको मिलवाता हूँ बच्चे से। ओके,
Yes, sir.
यू आर रेडी?
Yes.
हाँ, व्हाट टू स्पीक?
Speak English.
वेरी गुड। हाउ टू गो टू इलाहाबाद?
How to
हाँ,
go to Allahabad by per ticket.
हाँ, बाय बस। हाँ, व्हेन टू ईट फूड?
When to eat
स्टैंड अप। व्हेन टू ईट फूड?
eat
हाँ, व्हेन टू ईट फूड?
food.
हाँ, स्टैंड अप।
Water.
हाँ, व्हेन टू ईट फूड?
Eat food at 5 o'clock.
हाँ, वेरी गुड। हाउ टू वियर क्लोथ?
Wear clothes by hand.
वेरी गुड। व्हाई टू कैच द ट्रेन?
Catch the train for enjoy.
यस। आप देख रहे हो बच्चे इंग्लिश बड़े आसानी से बोलते हैं, थोड़ी सी तकलीफ होती है और तकलीफ को जो पी गया वो जिंदगी में हमेशा के लिए बन गया। ये छोटे बच्चे बच्चियां हैं, ये भी 10 दिन 15 दिन के बाद देखेंगे, ये भी टकाटक बोलेंगे। एक छोटा बच्चा बोल रहा है, आप देख रहे हो अच्छी तरह। हाँ, ठीक है, आई चलते हैं धीरे धीरे। यस, वेरी गुड। यस, यहाँ आओ, वहां जाओ, मत बोलो,
Don't speak.
चलो चले,
Let's
मुझे दो,
give me.
कृपया बैठो।
Please sit.
प्लीज, क्या करूं?
What's do?
व्हाट टू डू? कहाँ जाऊं?
Where to go?
हाँ, अंग्रेजी कैसे बोलूं?
How to speak English?
हाँ, हाउ टू स्पीक
English.
इंग्लिश। वेरी गुड, यू आर लुकिंग दैट। यस, हाँ, स्टैंड अप। व्हाट इज योर नेम?
My name is Amit Kumar.
हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine.
हाँ, यू कम हियर।
Yes, I'm coming.
You come here.
Yes, I'm coming.
Yes, I come here. Okay. How do you come here?
Do you
Yes.
come here by cycle? Oh,
You come here by cycle.
Yes, sir.
You have eaten food.
Yes, I am eating.
You have eaten food.
Yes, I have eaten food.
Who has cooked food? Who?
Food.
Who has cooked food? Mother has cooked food. Sister has cooked
Yes.
food. Who has cooked food?
Mother has cooked food.
Mother has
Cooked food.
cooked food. Very good. Okay, take your seat. Yes. You are looking at everyone. Yes. The boys have started. The boys began to speak English. There is no problem. One by one will be shown here. Okay, no problem. They will speak at any rate. No problem, because the Nu Allah is with all. Nu Allah is with all. In the name of God, in the name of Allah, everyone will speak. In the name of God, everyone will speak. There is no problem. There must not be obstacles. There must not be impediment in their path. Yes, I always pray to God. They will be a good. They will speak English at any rate. They will speak English by hook or by crook. There is no problem, and they can be a good. They can be a good. They can do. None can make them stop. It is power of this coaching. None can make them stop to speak English. No question rises to speak. No question rises to make them stop. कोई सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता उन्हें रोकने का. They will speak English at any rate. Yes, you are looking that. Yes. Yes. Now come to the point. Are you safe?
Yes, sir, I'm safe.
Where is your brother?
My brother is in Saudi Arabia.
Yes, yes, yes. What is his name?
His name is Muhammad Faizan.
Faizan.
You know, sir?
Yes, I know, because He has been a student of this coaching. Yes, yes, yes. And he faced many interviews
Yes, sir.
of any countries,
Yes.
and he hadn't got problem.
Yes, sir.
Yes, he
It
hadn't
is
got.
irony of your.
It is irony of God.
Yes.
Yes, it is irony of God. There is no problem. Yes. What is your mission to do something special?
My mission is to do become a teacher.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
From which subject do you want to become a teacher?
I want to become like a engineer.
Engineer.
Yes, sir.
You want to become an engineer?
Yes, sir. I want to become an engineer.
So where do you want to go that you want to be a good engineer?
Yeah, I wanted to go like Saudi Arabia, where is my brother.
Yes, your
At their
brother.
side. Yes,
Your
sir.
brother is living at
Yes,
there.
sir. He's
You
an
wanna go at
engineer.
there? Huh?
He's an engineer, so that's why I wanna go.
Yes, yes, yes. That's why you want to
Go.
go. Very good. There are lots of work in India. So why do you want to go to Saudi Arabia?
Okay, sir. I know, sir. There are lots of work in India, but sir, there is unemployment in India.
Employment.
India's government not giving more salary. But
Really?
if someone will go outside, then at that country, the
country.
salary in that country, the salary is more high price at their side.
Perhaps you don't know how do you say government doesn't provide. Government provides everything. You are looking that in India's engineer, and they are getting lots of money. They are getting 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000 per month. So how do you say that India's government doesn't provide?
Okay, sir. I know, sir. But sir, you are looking everywhere, sir. It is getting to look that nowadays the India's population is increasing day by day, and India's population is like, according to me, that 135 crore. And how the government will give to everyone job? How it is possible if anyone will go in the outside, but at their side there is employment. There is not unemployment. There is not the matter of the unemployment.
Yes.
It is the unemployment of the this country, because so that's why everyone is going at their side. At their side, there was no population at their side. That's why they want
You
to go
are
at
saying
their
that
side.
everyone is going to another country for earning money.
Yes, sir.
It is good idea. It is good habit. It is good idea or it is good habit.
No, sir. According to me, it is a good idea, sir. At their side.
Habit is not good.
No, sir.
It is not good habit.
No, sir. It is not good.
So why it is not good habit? What is the reason? If they are going another country for doing job, and other country is attacking on India, so at that time the population of India is normal, zero. If everyone is going, you are saying before some time you spoke that, yeah, everyone wants to go out there. So the condition of India will be down. Yes, the people are earning money and he wants to earn lots of money from other country. It is good habit. It is good idea, not it is good habit, because he wants to do something special in soon time, in a early time, in a less time. He wants to do something special. He wants to get the building done. He get the building built. He wants to do something special. You are looking on the spot. This building is built. In 2 months. How? Because he has money. Because he has got money from other country. Like this. Okay. Yes, dear, you are looking that like this. I have already told you the students, those who are coming here and they are speaking properly, there is no problem. They are talking properly. And जो बच्चे छोटे छोटे हैं उनको भी धीरे धीरे मैं लेके चल रहा हूँ. हाँ, गलतियां तो हो ही जाती है कुछ बच्चों से, लेकिन गलती से ही सुधार मिलती है, गलतियों से सीख मिलती है. जो अपने गलती पर एहसास करता है वो जिंदगी में सबसे अच्छा इंसान माना जाता है. जो अपने गलती का एहसास नहीं करता है वो इंसान नहीं, हैवान होता है. हाँ, अब हम आपसे फिर मिलते हैं और एक छोटा सा प्यारा सा संदेश है आपके लिए. अगर आप जिंदगी में सफल होना चाहते हो तो दोस्त, अपने कामयाबी पे, अपने मंजिल पे, अपने समय पर, अपने बात कहे हुए बातों पर, अपने हालातों पर, अपने माँ बाप की बातों पर आपको ध्यान देना होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि ये दुनिया अंधेरा है, देखने में सवेरा है, देखने में उजाला है, मगर अंधेरा ही अंधेरा है. चिराग दिन में जलाने से फायदा क्या है? अंधेरा बुझ सकता है क्या? नहीं. चिराग की कीमत रात में होती है, दिन में नहीं होती है. तो इंसान की कीमत जवानी में होती है, बुढ़ापे में नहीं होती है. जवानी में इंसान बहक जाता है, प्यार में बहक जाता है, हालात में बहक जाता है, दोस्त यार में बहक जाता है. मोबाइल बैग जाता है, उसके समय को छीनने के लिए बहुत सारे लोग खड़े हैं। इंसान अपने आप को समझ नहीं पाता है, परख नहीं पाता है, थोड़ी सी गलतियां हो जाती है, थोड़ी सी रास्ते बिखर जाते हैं। तो दोस्त, आप अपने आप को बनाने के लिए अपने आप को संभालो, अपने आप को जगाओ। उसकी चाबी आपके पास है, न कि किसी के पास है। मेरा काम है सच रास्ता दिखाना, मेरा काम है सच बातें बताना, मेरा काम है सच मार्गदर्शन पर आपको लेकर चलना, मेरा काम है आपकी मंजिल आपके हाथ में देना। इट इज द पॉसिबल टू बी सक्सेस। नाउ वी विल मीट अगेन। फिर मिलेंगे आपसे। आइए चलते हैं जो है नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम आपसे फिर मिलेंगे। बहुत सारे बच्चों को दिखाएंगे पावर ऑफ स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश क्या होती है। ठीक है, वेरी गुड।